All right, mate. CTK. Now, CTK is down a little bit from the entry. I'm just checking here. It's down down 0.72 today. Only a brand new day, of course. But it is choppy. Now, I did post afterwards that I probably FOMO'd in a little bit here, or wherever I got in there, and maybe it might actually drop back down to here. So be willing to add to that, for a move up. So that initial entry maybe was not the most refined. As I said afterwards, I still like it. I think obviously it probably needs a new year at this point. But overall, it's good structure. I'd be looking to see if it has a green year. I'd like to see it have a small bit of downside and then flip up and flip green. Ideally, well, you can see right in here, I would want this level to be holding. Don't really want to see it break down above that or below that. This is a deviation. This deviation right here, this stop hunt of the entire range can often be bullish, but sometimes it just takes a bit of time to maybe get that pump. And the fact that it had the rejection and a big drop down to stop the lows of the range, sometimes it takes time for this to develop and turn flip bullish again. In an ideal world, I'd be looking for something like this. See the way it came up and stopped the top of the range, dropped back down. It didn't take out the lows of the range, but it rounded back up and then got momentum. I mean, in an ideal world, I was hoping it would have been stronger on my initial buy, but I kind of realized afterwards that it's likely to maybe take a bit of work coming out of that. Overall, I still like it, but you look at this monthly candle here and it looks like it might need some time. It needs a new month.